Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi network on an Echo Flex. If you change the Wi-Fi signal or password on your device, on your router, you need to change here on an Echo Flex as well, right? So I just changed there on my Wi-Fi. So now I just need to come here to the Alexa app. And here, when you open it up, Alexa is going to find the devices available and is going to pop up the message to change the Echo Flex Wi-Fi, okay? You just need to wait for a while, and you see it pops up here, and just hit continue, and it's connected to the device, searching for the Wi-Fi, and it will let you know to connect the Echo to the new Wi-Fi. Okay, so super simple. Just wait for a while. There we go. Now you select the network that you want to your Echo Flex to connect to. And you see here that my repeater already got the information that the Echo is connecting to it, and it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and it's done. And now it's working. Okay, so super simple. That's the way you can change the Wi-Fi on an Amazon Echo Flex. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.